What's good, YouTube? If you're one of those people who deleted TikTok after the ban, then this video is for you. This only works for iOS users only. I don't know if it works for Android. If you're on iPhone, make sure your data is off and turn on airplane mode and connect to the Wi-Fi. If you're on iPad or an iPod Touch, which I don't even know if people even still own an iPod Touch in 2025, just connect to the Wi-Fi and then open up the App Store. Click on your profile picture on the very top right corner, and then click on your name, and then verify really quickly, and then click on country slash no, and then click on country slash fucking idiot, and then click on country slash region, and then click on change country, and scroll down until you see Canada, and click on that. Then tap on agree. Then on a payment method, click on none, and then scroll down to billing address. Now exit out of the app and go to your web browser, which is Safari, it could be Google Chrome, whichever browser you're using, and search up fake name generator. Make sure you click on the first link, which should be fakenamegenerator.com. Click on country and find Canada, and after you click on the red button called generate, you should see a generated Canada address. Now you will fill up the billing address with the Canada address you got from this website, and now you're just going to copy and paste that. Now after you're done copying and pasting your Canada address from the website to your billing address, now you're going to need to fill in the phone number, which you're going to do the same. The phone number should be on the website. Just copy and paste that onto your billing address. After you're done, click on next and you should be finished for now. On the USA servers, TikTok doesn't appear when you search it up since it's not available on the App Store at the moment. But when I search it up and try to download it, as you can see, it does not let me. So now you will need to search up VPN and download VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Launch the VPN app, and when you first open up the app, you will get a pop-up telling you to upgrade to premium, which you don't have to. At the very bottom of the screen, click on proceed with ads. Then you will tap on Ike V2. Make sure auto is in blue. Only Ike V2 should be blue. Then you're going to click on the big power button, which should start connecting. And then when it connects, you're going to go back and you're going to click on the very top right here. Then you're going to scroll down until you see Canada. You can click on whichever Canada server you see, but I chose Canada B since the time delay is lower and should be a little bit more faster. Then it should automatically connect to Canada. Now exit out the app and go to the App Store and search up TikTok and try to download it. But it seems like it still doesn't work. But don't you worry, there's an easy fix. All you have to do is just restart your iOS device. Alright, we're back. Make sure your data is off once again if you're on iPhone. Your VPN should automatically turn on with your Wi-Fi. Open up the App Store and now you should be able to download it. Once it's finished downloading, you can now open up the app and brain rot on TikTok again. If you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to comment down below. Make sure to like this video if it worked out for you, and subscribe if you're interested in any other upcoming tutorials. And that is all. Ziku helps. Ciao.